Hey friends, what's happening? Hope you guys did all right yesterday. It is Wednesday. It is like the 8th of December, something like that. And we're on what is always our favorite part of the math chapter, real world problems. Woo! What I'm looking at schedule-wise here is that we will do this lesson today, and we're going to spend Thursday and Friday doing a bit of review. And then on Monday, we'll test for chapter 5. And then on Tuesday, I'll be back. And even if you're self-paced at this point, I think I want everybody to try and test on Monday. So if you get done, I'll expect you to maybe go and find the enrichment activities and the extra resources, just because I want to get everybody on track and kind of restart it. Make sure we're all together in an order before break, because now we've got 10 days before winter break, and I'll be there for like 5 or 6 of them, maybe. So yeah, here we go. Real world problems in algebra. Ooh, we don't really use algebra in the real world, do we? Yes, we do. And that is your goal today, is to be able to solve these. But as always, I believe in you. Okay. And so right away we go to something that's not even a real world problem anymore, because nobody buys CDs. I mean, come on, how like mid 2000s / 1990s, but whatever, we'll entertain them here. So for real world problems, you can write an expression to evaluate. So for example, Tyrone's got Y compact discs, or CDs as we call them back in the olden days. John has 3 times as many as Tyrone. And then John buys another CD. Well, how many more CDs does John have than Tyrone? So, of course, let's just make this thing an absolute nightmare right away. Okay. So then it says Tyrone has Y. Tyrone has Y. John has 3 times Tyrone plus 7. How many more does John have than Tyrone? Well, John's got the 3Y plus 7. So you do 3Y plus 7 minus Tyrone's Y. And they rearrange it. You just do the 3Y minus Y, and you get 7 plus 2Y. Okay, so that's the combining like turn stuff that we've done before. So John has 7 plus 2Y more CDs than Tyrone. If Tyrone has 25 CDs, how many more CDs does John have? Then you put in the 25 for the 2. 25 times 2 is 50 plus 7, you get 57. You really made that just like kind of convoluted, but I'm going to cross my fingers and see if we can do this. Ooh, okay. They're getting right into it. Let's talk about Ray and Ben and their dollars. Pause me, see if you can sort this out, and then as always, when you unpause me at the 5 count, I will come back and try and solve these. Okay? Go. Pause me. Okay. Ray has M. Ben has 15 more than Ray. So for Ben, I'm just writing M plus 15 right here, so I'm going to forget about it. Okay? So how much money do they have all together? Did you read that? All together in terms of M. Well, Ben has M plus 15. Ray has M. So you do an M plus 15. They have 2M plus 15 altogether. If Ray has 75, how much do they have altogether? So if M is 75, you do 2 times 75 plus 15. 2 times 75 is 150, plus 15 is $165 altogether. All right, I guess that one wasn't too bad. How are we feeling? Good? I gotta double check. I'm guessing based on what math they're asking you to do, there's going to be some 5th grade level stuff and some 6th grade level stuff in here. Okay. Same thing. Multiplication and division with real world problematics. Okay. Salma has X dollars in her wallet. She buys a shirt for $15 and spends the rest on 3 movie tickets. Okay. So how do you find out how much one movie ticket is? Well, she's got X dollars, and she subtracts 15 right away and then divides all that by 3. And I like how they're doing the whole X plus 15 up here. You don't need those parentheses. Divided by 3. Again, that's why we do the straight line and not the slashy line. Okay, no more slashy lines. The price of one movie ticket is X minus 15 divided by 3. So if Solom's got 39, what's the price of a ticket? You plug in the 39, you get 39 minus 15 is 24. 24 divided by 3. Well, how convenient. The price of one movie ticket's $8. And my guess is they're going to ask you to do one of these now. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, when he says withdraw, a man has Y dollars in his wallet. He withdraws $200 from an ATM. That means he puts $200 in his wallet. He goes to the machine, takes out $200, puts it in his wallet. And then he spends half the total on groceries. Solve A and B. Pause me. I'll come and help in 5 seconds. So if this man has Y and then he adds another 200, his total amount of money is Y plus 200. Okay? And then if that's his total, he spends half the total amount on groceries. So it's the Y plus 200, whatever that total is, divide it in half, and that's going to equal, that's a 2, not a Z, groceries. So if Y equals 80, how much money does he have left? Well, 80 plus 200, all divided by 2. 80 plus 200 is 280 divided by 2. If Y equals 80, if he starts with $80 in his wallet, he's now got 140 left. Okay, that's a plus 200 in the wallet right there. Don't forget that. Okie dokie. So I think those were both actually fifth grade level activities. Let's look at this. Andy and Kathy each have some pencils. Look at me, I'm yawning. Andy has his pencils in 4 boxes. 3 of the boxes have equal number of pencils, and there are P pencils in each of those 3 boxes. The remaining box has 3 pencils fewer. Kathy has 2 boxes of pencils, each with P pencils and 13 extra pencils. Each Andy, so let's see. Let's just get Andy and Kathy written down. I'm not even sure what they're asking us to do yet. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Andy has 4 boxes. 3 of the boxes have an equal number, and there are P pencils in each of the 3 boxes. Okay, so 3P, 3 boxes times P pencils. The remaining box has 3 pencils fewer. Oh, okay, so instead of 3P, I'm going to have really 4P, because I'm going to have 4 boxes, 4P, but minus 3 pencils altogether. That one is a little messy. Kathy has 2P plus 13. Okay, so there's our number models. I'm guessing they're going to want us to say if P equals this, who's got more or less, and then if they're equal, solve for P. I'm guessing that's what's coming up. Let's see. Did I get it? Andy has 3P plus 3 minus 3, so Andy's got 4P minus 3. Kathy's got 2P plus 13. Write an inequality to show who's got more pencils if P equals 9. Okay. So you're going to write those 2 number models down. If P equals 9, 4 times P is 36, minus 3 is 33. We're here 2 times P is 18, plus 13 is 31. Therefore, Andy's got more pencils. Okay. Next, I bet they have a solve for P. Oh yeah, for what value of P will Andy and Kathy have the same number? So now this is our 6th grade math right here, because we are solving for a variable with a variable on both sides of the problem. So it's just 4P minus 3 equals 2P plus 13. This is what we did yesterday. Pause me, do this. I'm coming at you in 5 seconds. Okay, my turn. First thing I'm going to do is add 3 to both sides. I want to get rid of that minus 3. So 4P minus 3 plus 3 is 4P. 2P plus 13 plus 3 is 2P plus 16. Now I want to get the P's together, so I'm going to subtract 2P from each side. 4P minus 2P is 2P. 2P minus 2P is 0 plus 16 is 16. If 2P equals 16, P must equal 8. Very good. So for what value P will this is solve for P, or P equals blank. That's all this junk is trying to say up there. Okay. Hoofda. Oh, this is just fill in the missing numbers on the chart. Pause it and I'll do it in 5 seconds. I think you can do this. I might have to go if Charlie's crying. Hang on. Okay, I think it's all good. Check it out. He's cuddled. Oh, that's Bobby. You gotta wait for it to come back. You'll see Charlie and then his little curious George are sitting there hanging out and feeling good. Come on, Charlie, where are you, buddy? If you don't come back to me, we're never gonna see you. Bobby's, oh, there he is. There's Charlie. There's curious George. What a good boy. All right, if y equals 18, well, 2y minus 7 equals 2 times 18 minus 7, or 36 minus 7, or 29. Here, y plus 9 would be 18 plus 9, or 27. 29 is greater than 27, so 2y minus 7 is greater than y plus 9. Therefore, Lenny has more marbles if y equals 18. That wasn't bad. All right, next one. Oh, then for what value of y will Lenny and Max have the same number? And here they've got it laid out for you. You can copy this. Yeah, I don't have a Paradex set up for you. Too bad, but most of it's laid out. Pause me, copy, do it. Yes, I expect to see all of this. And I know I'm letting you do shortcuts in the test, but show me all the steps here. So pause me. I'm coming at you in 5 seconds. Okay, here they're doing 2y minus 7. What do I always want to do? Get rid of that minus. So they're doing a plus 7, plus 7. The minus 7 plus 7 cancel each other out. Then you have y plus 16. Now you're going to get rid of this y. So you're going to do 2y minus y equals y plus 16 minus y. 2y minus y is y. Y plus 16 minus y is 16. They'll have the same if y equals 16. Thought this was a shorter lesson. To the end. Okay. Pause me. I'll start in 5 seconds. Okay. Whoa, get back there. Did you rock those? So if Jose is R, Keith is 3 times as old as Jose. Keith is 3R. Laura is 4 years younger than Keith. Well, Keith is 3R. Laura is 4 less. If R is 5, 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4. Laura is 11. So that would be Jose is 5, Keith is 9, Laura is 11. No. No. Keith is 15, Laura is 11. All right. Beautiful. Do the next one. Pause me. Figure out what Ada's doing with her shopping spree here. I'm starting in 5 seconds, so hit the pause button. Okay, Ada bought a belt for X dollars on a handbag that cost twice as much as the belt. The handbag's 2X. She gave the cashier $100. How much did she spend in terms of X? Well, she spent that on the belt, that on the handbag. She spent 3X. Okay. How much change did she receive? Well, she received the $100 minus 3X. Okay. She spent $100 and her change is whatever the $100 is minus whatever she paid. Then if X is 15, how much change did she receive? 3 times 15 is 45. 100 minus 45 is 55. Okay. Man, I used to be faster at these lessons. All right. Okay, so this is part A is the greater than less than, part B is solve for B. So pause me and then I'll do it. All right, if P equals 8, 3 times P is 24 plus 2 is, copper is going to be 3 times P is 26, and the steel is going to be 4 times 8. It's 32 minus 3 is 29. If P equals 8, which pipe is longer? Steel. Then you have to do the 3P plus 2 equals 4P minus 3. Each side I'm going to do plus 3. 3P plus 2 plus 3 is 3P plus 5. It's a plus. 4P minus 3 plus 3 is 4P. And then here I'm going to subtract 3P from each side. I want to get the P's together. 3P plus 5 minus 3P is just 5, and 4P minus 3P is P. Boop. There you go. I think there's only 2 more problems, friends. Oh, I skipped one. Why did I skip this funky little monkey here? There must be a reason. There must be a method to my madness. And by the way, when it comes down to it, I can't even write. That's your assignment. Okay. Pale and a pitcher contain. Pause me, do this while I read it and figure it out. Okay. A pail and a pitcher contain Q quarts of water altogether. The pail contains 9 times as much as the pitcher. Find the amount of the water of the pitcher in terms of Q. This one is, I don't know why they're busting this out unless I'm missing something, but believe it or not, I'm going to bar model it. Okay. And the pail contains 9 times as much water as the pitcher. So here's my pail. Okay. This is going to make sense in a minute. There's my pail. There's my pitcher, right? All together, all of those pieces are going to add up to Q. Okay? How much is in the pitcher in terms of Q? Well, it's going to be Q divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't that crazy? Q divided by 10. If the pail and the pitcher contain 25 quarts of water, find the amount of water in the pail in quarts. Oh, for crying out loud. This one's obnoxious. Okay, so then if this is all together, if it's 25, then each one of these is 2.5, right? And then the amount in the pail is going to be 2.5, so because 25 divided by 10. 2.5 times 9. Ah, oh, irritating. Oh, the answer is going to be not $, 22.5 quarts. That's what it's going to be. That problem is dumb. Let's talk about that on Tuesday when I come back. This one was a little unnecessary. Not cool. That's an official designation. All right. Got a workbook to do. Someone told me my exit slip might not have been active yesterday. I'll double check. It should be active. Today should be active. They should be good to go. If not, message me. And yeah, that's that. I'll put a I'll put a chat bit into Schoology today if you have any questions. Well, it should be there by the time you look. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll see if I can answer them. That's it. Miss you guys. Charlie and I are having a good time, but we both wish we were back at school learning and teaching and all of that jazz. So be extra nice to Ms. Matthews today. She's good people. Make her never want to leave, but still she has to when I come back. So what do you do? All right, dudes, dudettes, duderinos, Dudinskis, whatever you want to call it. I will see ya when I see ya. Later, taters. Boop.